So if you've been following me, you may have seen this video.
Lassù in montagna, oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao.
But Dapper Brown recognised the video and then sent me out these products. So I haven't had this out for a while. So let's see what we've got. So this is the powder, as seen in the video. Great smell to this, and it's easy to wash off. If you ever use texture gels, some of them are quite hard to get off. Some sea salt spray, firm hold fixing spray, and grooming tonic. Never actually used this. Oh, that smells amazing. Adding volume and texture to the hair. So what do we have left? Superior hold and shine. Oh, they smell amazing. This is the main reason that I use Dapper Dan, because the smells are just incredible. So then we got a strong hold. So this one, matte paste. If I could describe the smells, it's like having aftershave, but for your hair. Got a super hold, clay. Get that one. See what else is in. There's something underneath. Magazine as well. With all of the products. Awesome. And how to use it as well. Thank you very much, Dapper Dan. I'll be using every single one of these